Naglatsang. One. Okay. Hello guys. We're done warming this. It's quite hot. Be careful with your hand. Now, what we have is a solution, or we call it solution because it's a mixture of water and, of course, a lemon. So actually guys, this is a lemon that I have after I squeeze the juice for morning drinks, and I chop it into tiny pieces and I add with water. Then I warm it here. Now the warm mixture or the warm water extract from these peelings. I get a towel cloth, and if it is so dirty here, you can start on the upper part maybe, like that, to clean up. Then goes to the side. If it is so dirty, you can do the side, the upper part, then up and going down. It should be warm to remove well the greasy part. So this is based on experience guys, because I have one experience before na it's not that easy to remove the oil from these utensils. So it is so helpful if you have this kind of warm thing. Now, to prove you how effective it is, look at closely guys. Then I will prove to you how easy to remove this oily thing and cream. Did you see? But of course, usually we used to wash it with water, but I'm just for the sake of video guys, I'm just showing it to you how effective it is to remove this, to soften the oil, especially if it is in here. But this one, obviously you can wash it with sabon, but just to prove to you how effective is the warm lemon water to remove the greasy part. It melts right away guys. So that's the importance of warming it. It can easily remove. Then if you have another paper towel, it's nice to absorb This is just to let you see how I lock paper towel. But if you want, you can use a cloth so that you can wash. You don't need to buy. Then you will just, if you want to clean everything even the underneath, and here too, I already done this part. It's so shiny, guys. The effect is shiny. So shiny. So that's it, guys. Can't you see? Although you need to pick this up to clean everything, but I cannot do it for now because I'm holding one hand is in the cell phone. So I need to do the bottom part, but you can see the upper part is clean, except here because I did not clean it here yet. So it's so easy to remove the oil, but you can, if you try, you can really observe it when you try. So effective, and you can reuse it and reuse it. This one, just add water, so it takes a lot of time to finish, to consume. So obviously I will wash it with water after, then it will be completely clean, even at the bottom part. So this is one way to clean up your microwave. So sa mga Bisaya din ha, looking sa tong mga wakahibalo, saon pag limpyo sa inyong microwave. If you are in the Philippines, you can use calamansi. Here I'm just using a citron. But it's just the skin, the peel of the citron, because the juice, I drink it. This is a DIY. This is one way to reuse of your peelings. Citron peelings. Apart from, you can do a lot of things actually from the citron. Citrus citron. That's in French. Citrus. So by this one, you can just wash with water if you like. Look, cause it needs some scraping. Because I cannot scrape much. I am holding the phone. I'm afraid it will be broken. But can't you see? One scrub only. So just to prove to you how easy to clean using your citron peelings. So shiny. The result is shiny, guys, especially if you clean it with cloth after. So this is why I save this one, because I can use a lot of stuff with this one. Sometimes I can use it, sometimes with to remove the smell of the fish. And there's a lot of ways to reuse this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learn something from me, and perhaps some of you knows already about this technique. So I hope you enjoy. Well, have a nice day everyone, and happy weekend. Bye for now. Now this for? All right. Now, what we need to do first is to warm this. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to clean your microwave. We call it greasy microwave, or greasy because it is oily microwave, like lots of dirt with oil and cream, which are very stubborn to remove or hard to remove. So, have you seen how dirty it is? So you cannot just clean it right away with simple water or soup or with water.